Hey guys, wagwan, welcome back to Plate Series. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am cutting the crayfish straight down the middle vertically, just like this. As you can see here, easy, right? You with me? Stay with me. So we are going to clean all of that out. Don't need it, don't want it. Let's go. So just like so, you see I'm using my hand. It might look a little awkward because the phone in one hand and I do that with the next hand. Yeah, the struggle. So just as you see I'm doing here, get that out. Don't be scared, don't be, you know, grossed out. That yellow stuff is actually edible. It's like a liver. It's an organ that functions like a liver in the crayfish, and it is actually fully edible, but I'm just going to remove it here because I want to. So let's season our crayfish. In this mixture I have cayenne pepper, some Cajun, some salt and black pepper. All you need, that's it. So as you can see here, I am sprinkling some of the seasoning onto the surface, aka the plate first, and then I'll proceed to line the crayfish out on the plate and put some more seasoning on top. Next step is to get those crayfish in the pot. Now first I am heating the oil at medium heat, then I'm going to add some garlic. Make sure that oil is nicely flavored. Now just as you see here, I'm just adding them like normal. What should I say, the open side down first, and then, you know, the shell facing you. So everybody knows seafood don't take long, so for these I'm just going to do them 2 minutes on each side. Ready, or I can do 2 minutes on the first side and a minute on the second, because the cooking process is not fully complete after these have been seared off. So quick. Like I said, it's a quick thing, so it's time to turn these over on the opposite side. And just like that, we're almost there, halfway there. Stay with me. So that's what we're looking for right there. That's the color we're looking for. You see those shells went from a gray blue color to that nice red color that we all know and love. I wish you could smell it, like, no joke. Cooked and ready. Now for the next step, we are going to add our brandy. I would say I added about a tablespoon of brandy, yeah, not much, or a half a tablespoon. And we're just going to let that deglaze the pan. By deglazing our pot, we're allowing all those caramelized bits stuck to the base of the pot to be released, thus adding more flavor to our dish, in this case to our crayfish. Now you can see I added one more piece of garlic, a peg of garlic, some parsley butter that I already had made previously. Regular butter is fine, whatever butter you like, rosemary butter, thyme butter, regular, you know, it's okay. And there you can see I added some peppercorn flakes, just for a kick, an extra kick of heat, just the way I like it. We are going to let this sizzle for about 3 minutes, simmer down, let all of those flavors come together as one, and then we are ready. Just a quick tip, if you are cooking shrimp or crayfish, in particular in this case, and the tails don't curl up, that's a sign that those may not be edible. It's not a good sign. So ensure that you see those tails curling up, just like you see here. This is such a quick and easy meal, so delicious. As you can see here, I'm just pairing it with some white rice, and enjoy.